Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we have a very nice exponential equation. And now you can see the equation that define power h minus 1 equal to 10 power 8 times 2 power minus 8 times 5 power 8 minus 1. Alright, so the simple today we can see that the base of the exponential equation is 5. Is 5, 10 and 2. Now we have 3 base. How to solve this? Now look at the solution. We can see that 5, alright, 5 power h minus 1 equal to 10 power h times 2 power negative 8 times 5 power h minus 1. Okay, and now we can rewrite it is 5 power h minus 1 equal to 10 times 1 over 2 power 8. Okay, now it times 5 power 8 minus 1. Okay, this is the property of the exponential equation, right? So here power 8, right? And now we can rewrite it. Okay, now we have here is the same, right? The left hand side is 5 power h minus 1. Very lucky the right hand side also the 5 power 8 minus 1, so we can cancel it. So the remaining will be 1 equal to, right, 10 power 8 over 2 power 8. So we have the property and rule of the exponential equation is a power h over b power h will be equal to a over b power h. Okay, now we apply this rule to the upper equation. Now we can get 1 equal to 10 over 2 parentheses power h. Alright, so we can get the 1 equal to 5 power h, and 1 will be equal to 5 power 0. It is that means we can get the h will be equal to 0. Alright, this is the answer. Goodbye, see you in the next video.